Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Advertising Ad Certified Advertising Professional as well as the owner of a Google Marketing Company. And today I'm here with an amazing interesting news for all the Google Ads lover. And that is that the Google Ads is finally experimenting and trying on map and image gallery carousel for search ads. This is a very interesting ad, where people can go through the, your images. What it requires is first of all it requires Google business profile being linked with Google search ads and shown in assets. And if you can do it through that, your images will also be shown in Google search ads and Google map ads. So right now it's all in the experiment phase. Again, I can show you some data. Again, there was a guy Anthony, who originally shared on Twitter X, and you can see over here that this is kind of a experiment I'm going to give you, like sponsored results along with the images. So, and in case if you have a bundle of images, the carousel means bundle of images showing together like this. Over here you can see over here, like there's an option to scroll, so you can add this one, and this is how your carousel ads will be shown. So this is a very interesting and thing. And one of another guy showed me on YouTube, so I can show you as well. Like this is a normal result, and now you can see over here that this, you can see that this is an carousel ad right now running on search. Okay, it can also run through demand generation as well, so that is a possibility as well, that in case if you want to run through the demand generation, you can also do it through demand generation campaigns. That could be okay. There are various options being open on the table of the Google. I'm just giving an example of what could be the ad would be with the carousel. Very interesting, to be really honest, very interesting, and we're very excited for welcoming these. Yeah, and in case if you want our assistance in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, audit, setup, management, SEO services, Google personal profile, landing page, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.